For every time you spend 50,000 naira on things that are not so important, imagine if you had saved it or invested it. I did the math myself and the result made me rethink my own spending. For example, let's say you're saving 50,000 naira every month. In 5 years, you'd have saved a total of 3 million naira. But depending on how you save that money, it would have been 5 million, 7 million, or even 50 million naira right now. That is the same money, the same 5 years, but different results. We are going to be doing this math in this video, and I know this is going to be an uncomfortable video, but by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to start doing right now. Not next month, not when things settle down, but right now. You're going to learn all of that in this video. But before I start this video, here are a few things we spend most of our money on. The first is data subscription, airtime, DSTV, streaming, eating out or ordering food online, transport emergencies, random gifting, sending money home, clothes, shoes, and even what I call invisible drain, which is the 500 naira, 1000 naira, 2000 naira you spend on things you can't actually account for. By the time you add up a few of these things, 50,000 naira is gone. And no, I'm not actually judging you for spending this money. This is actually the real life in Nigeria. But what I want you to start seeing is the opportunity cost of this pattern, because that exact 50,000 naira redirected into the right things starts compounding quietly, automatically, while you're sleeping, while you're going about your life. So all of this is what I'm going to be discussing in this video. And let's start with, what does the result looks like when you start investing 50,000 naira monthly? So to answer this question, I'll be going to this platform called money.money. This website was actually built by me just for the purpose of this video. So you want to subscribe to this channel right now and like this video, so that YouTube is going to spread this video to a lot of persons, because it costs a lot of money and time to build a website just because of this video, just for you. When you look at the website, we have crypto, forex, and DCA. What I want you to focus on is the wealth simulator. So let's start with assets. I'm going to click on this asset here, and let's say if you look at S&P 500, you can see it gives a minimum return of 10% annually. That is, if you are holding S&P 500, it's going to, by the end of the year, you should be able to see around 10% annually. And this is based on results that have been compounded in the past several decades. Investing in Nasdaq also gives you around 12%. Bonds give you 8%. Treasury bills give you 14%. Fixed deposit gives you 8%. Mutual funds give you 12%. And before you think this is just all we have here, there are other options here. There's crypto, and then there's other ones like your popular website like cowrywise, piggy bank, bamboo, and this is other ones from Robinhood, Betterment, and the rest. So they give you they help you calculate what your result is going to look like if you had invested in them. I'm going to use mutual fund, because this is one that is currently trending so much in Nigeria. I'm going to use it as an example. So let's say you want to invest in mutual fund, and the currency you want to use naira to invest in mutual fund. You can also pick your currency here if you're not using naira. Every month you want to be putting 50,000 naira, so you're starting with 50,000 naira. Now, investment amount, you want to be doing 50,000 naira monthly. So click on this frequency and select monthly. You can see you can do daily, you can do weekly, you can do bi-weekly, you can do quarterly, and you can do yearly, but I'm going to go with monthly. So we are taking a 50,000 naira from the money we are supposed to spend to invest in mutual fund, which gives us a medium of 12%. Now let's put in the years we want to use. So let's say we want to do 5 years. So you can drag this to give you the years, but you can also type it. So this is 5 years. All right, so annual return is 12%, but just in case you're able to find another result for yours, you're able to find a number that is higher, you can just come here and change it. It doesn't have to be this 12% up here. Now look at the result you're going to get. In that 5 years, you would have invested a total of 3 million naira, but your profit is now 1.17 million, which brings your total capital to 4.2 million, which is a total return of 38%. Now I'm aware of some other mutual funds that gives 20% or more. So if it's 20%, you would have made 5.3 million within the past 5 years. So if it's more than that, 25%, you would have made 6 million and the rest. But one thing I need to understand is, when you're investing, it is not just about the profit you're going to make. Rather, it's about your capital being safeguarded. Is your capital risk-free? I mean, there's nothing risk-free in this life, but like there are some things that are more risk-free compared to other things. So you want to check, is this particular thing I'm investing in giving my money the guarantee that it's not going to be lost? That is the most important thing, not just the numbers you're going to get from it. Because when you concentrate on the numbers alone, most times you make mistakes and you invest in things that are high risk instead of focusing on low risk investment. All right, so I'm just going to leave it at the median of 12%. So this would have made you 4.2 million naira in the past 5 years, in which you've invested a total of 3 million naira. Now, this is actually a good investment, right? Because keeping your money in your bank where it doesn't give you any interest, and keeping it in mutual fund where you've actually made an extra 1 point something million naira for yourself is actually good money. So you can see the number we're able to generate within 1 year. I can choose to share this by downloading this. So this is for 5 years. But sometimes if you look beyond 5 years, look at when you go to 10 years, you can see that you would have invested 6 million naira and the profit is way higher. I'm going to use other ones as an example. So let's look at this one called Halal Balance Portfolio under cowrywise. You can see this one gives 26% annually. There's another one that gives 30%, but you can see the risk is written as high, so you just have to be careful when you're dealing with this. So if we're doing if we're investing that same 50,000 naira monthly, let's go back to 5 years. And 5 years, you would have invested 3 million, but that would have given us 6.5 million against 4 million. And if we're doing 10 years, you would have generated 30 million naira as against the other one, which was way lower. So you can see how just investing, you can see how investing 50,000 naira monthly has given you this result. Now, it looks a lot better when it's on Bitcoin, although Bitcoin annual return has reduced. But previously, it used to be somewhere around 60% annually, but let's leave it at 50% annually. If we're doing same for Bitcoin, in the last 5 years, we would have generated 13 million naira just by investing 3 million naira. And if we take this further to 10 years, we would have made 173 million naira just by investing 6 million naira into Bitcoin. So you can see how those 50,000 naira you think is very small that you're neglecting has given you the amount of money you never expected you'd have made from it. Who would have ever thought that 6 million naira in 10 years would have made you 173 million naira within that period of time? So this is it about the calculation I actually ran that made me knew I was throwing in a lot of money, because 173 million naira in 10 years is good money. It's a lot of money just by 50,000 naira that is not so important, right? But let's go back to the home page, and here's one other thing you can do with this website, and that is when you come to this section here, it basically gives you all of the assets you can invest and the return you're going to get from them. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, S&P 500, Nasdaq. You can see treasury bills for Nigeria, fixed deposit, US treasury bond, mutual fund, and you can see all of them. So you can also see the platform you can use to invest in any of them. So the question you're going to be asking me is, how can you start right now? It's simple. You can go ahead and download some of these investment apps. For those of you in Nigeria, I recommend piggyvest, Bamboo, cowrywise. There are many of them out there in the country. You can download them, create an account right away. If you want to create an account, I have my links in the description. Use them to sign up right away and create an account. Once you've done that, then you can go over this investment thesis. So let's go over to my phone right now. Let me show you what you can start doing right away. All right, this is cowrywise. This is the home page of it. You can just click on invest, and you have different options of what you can invest. So you have NG stocks, you have mutual fund, and then dollar mutual fund. So let's start with Naira mutual fund. I'm going to click on it, then click on invest now. So you can see the results you're getting. So cowrywise conservative portfolio is at 16.5%. We actually had it on our website, clearly stated. So that's why our website basically aggregates all of this ROI. So you can use that to monitor each of the platform and look for which is the best for you and pick the platform to go ahead and use it right away. So you can pick any one of your choice. So if I put it on, or let's say I want to go with this first one, I'm just going to click on it, and I can do some research here by just checking this year to date. It's around 16.5. So you can just see what the return is like investing into this particular portfolio. So next You can read a little bit more about this and where they're putting the money. So they're putting it in T-bills, which is treasury bills, commercial papers, and fixed placement. So you can also check this out, how you can earn. So you earn yields, you earn return on your principal. Okay, so now we can click on, if you're good with that, then you can just go ahead and click on invest more. And you can put in the amount you want to invest. So I want to invest 50,000 naira, and you have to basically transfer that amount right here to invest, and it would help you invest in it right away every time this time of the month. So today is 14th of April. You just come back that the next 14th, and then you put in another one. You just keep doing that over time, and you would see your result. And that is basically how it works. So let's go over to piggyvest. So on piggyvest, there are different things you can invest in. So they have the savings plan, and they also have the investment opportunities. But let's go over, let's click on view more, and under here you can see piggy bank. You receive around 16% annually. We have that well documented in our website, which shows you how much you receive. Log safe gives you around 15 to 19% annually. Flex Naira gives you 12%. So each of them have their rules and regulation. What I want you to do is to always read their rules and regulation before investing. Then Flex Dollar gives you 6%. I know some of you are going to be saying 6% is very, very small, but if you think about inflation, which I'm going to talk about in another video, because if I have to talk about that in this video, it's going to make it really, really long. But when you factor in inflation, you now start seeing that investing in Flex Dollar is even way better than investing in some of these other ones that pay you in Naira. But you know, Naira is not very, very stable. Sometimes inflation kicks in very bad and it affects the currency. So it's not just about the return. That is why I told you it's not just about the return. But stay tuned for more video about that. The final platform I can show you is Bamboo, which you can start using right now to do all of this investment. So let's say you want to start, just click on invest, and you have US stocks, NGN stocks, then you have treasury bills, Naira savings. So you can see Naira savings gives you 16%. Fixed return, I guess this is in dollar, gives you 6.5%, as against piggyvest that gives 6%. That is why you need to use that platform to do the comparison yourself. And then treasury bills gives you it has its own rules and regulations, so you have to check it out to find out more details. But if you want me to talk more about any of this platform and how you can start investing, and which I think is the best ones to start doing right away, then go to the comment section and tell me the exact ones you want me to talk about, and I'll make a video about them very soon. So this is all of it about this video, and I'm going to leave a link to all of the website in the description. But the website is monic.money. And for other platforms I talked about in the video, I'm going to leave a link to their websites too, so you can use that to sign up right away. And if you've not liked this video, then make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more videos like this coming very soon. I'm going to be making videos around stocks, crypto, forex, treasury bills, equities, and other financial markets. So my videos are going to help you understand the financial markets better. So if these are all of the things you're interested in, then subscribe to this channel right now and click on that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.